उसको नहीं लगी है। Battery on charge, but I forgot to switch on the button. Something very weird is happening. All the birds are coming back to the tree and sitting on the tree. It makes no sense. It's early morning. Shouldn't the birds be like flying around and not sitting on a tree? Maybe they were tired. I am gonna go ahead and make poha for breakfast and get all charged up. Meanwhile, I'm gonna put you guys to charging, so you'll miss out on the morning stuff today. So sorry.
कहाँ गया आर्यवीर? मम्मा दूधो आर्यवीर कहाँ है?
आर्यवीर कहाँ गया? दिख ही नहीं रहा छोटा बेबी। कहाँ है? फिर से कहाँ है आर्यवीर? छोटा बेबी कहाँ है?
कहाँ गया?
दिख ही नहीं रहा है।
दिख ही नहीं रहा। ढूंढो 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 ढूंढो।
कहाँ है? चाबी आपकी है। I am attempting to make some peanut butter cookies for Aryaveer. I just saw a recipe on YouTube. If I remember, I'm going to link it down below in the description box. But super simple. You take 1 cup peanut butter, 1 egg, 1 cup sugar. I think 1 cup sugar will be a little too much. I'll take half cup sugar. Mix it all together and then just bake it. I just had like 3/4 cup of peanut butter. I didn't have like enough. But my egg was a large one, so I'm going to add a little bit of oatmeal into this, and let's make this into oatmeal and peanut butter cookies. And this is what the final consistency is. Let's bake these babies. I may have put these a little closer together, but oh well, let's see what happens. 177 degrees Celsius. I'm just going to put 170 and then 7 to 10 minutes, so I'm going to put 8 minutes. These look slightly undone right now, so I'm going to cook these for a couple of minutes more. And these are now ready. I just had a bite. They're basically for Aryaveer, it's a little bit too much peanut butter for me. But these are amazing. They're like so soft and the taste is so nice. Hi Aryaveer. Aryaveer. Matching. अब दोनों की पैंट्स भी मैचिंग हो गई है। पापा ने आपको ठोकर मारी। आर्यवीर, आप दादी को ऑफिस से लेने जाओगे? हाँ, कार में जाएंगे दादी को ऑफिस से लेने। ऑफिस। And this is what I am wearing. It's a very nice chicken curry, I think. Sari. Love it. Love the baby pink.
ओ तेरा बिट्टू आ गया। वाह। आओ।
I don't know why I'm so sleepy right now. Good morning guys, how are you today? It's Saturday. We are going to Karnal in the evening today. It's Aravi's little cousin's birthday. It's his first birthday today, so that's so cool. I think one of the advantages of having an older child is that you always know what to gift because you know exactly what is useful and what is not. Angie? पानी चाहिए? कप में पानी चाहिए? हाय कर दो। ओके, पानी पीते हैं। चलो। I want to ask, do you guys drink water immediately after you get up? So I know a lot of people who don't drink water immediately after they get up, but I kind of always crave water. Like when I've gotten up, I just need water. And Aravir is like the same. The minute he gets up, he's like pani, pani. He wants water, and it's exactly the same with me. I think my morning routine contains, you know, after I usually shoot the first clip in the balcony of good morning and everything, I always come to the kitchen and drink a glass of water. I just need water in the morning. So do you drink a glass of water like immediately after getting up? Is that like something that you need? Aravir just had his first encounter with Cheety, with an ant. I didn't realize that when I pointed out to him, look, Cheety, he'll try to squish it. So he squished it, so. क्या कर रहे हो? क्या कर रहे हो? मुझे चप्पल से क्यों मारा तुमने? चप्पल से क्यों मारा? लग गई। किसी कर दो, मुझे किसी कर दो, मुझको किसी कर दो, चप्पल को नहीं, किसी चप्पल को किसी नहीं करनी। मुझे लगी है, चप्पल को थोड़ने लगी है। मुझको किसी कर दो। थैंक यू। किसी कर दो ना, किसी कर दो। लग गई। थैंक यू। कार बजाने मतलब ही इसलिए किसी कर रहे थे? क्या कर रहे हो? चप्पल को किसी क्यों कर रहे हो? उसको नहीं लगी है। And we are off to Karnal. We are now off to Karnal. I haven't really vlogged much today because nothing really much has happened. I'm probably going to combine today and tomorrow together because literally nothing is happening today. So anyways, we are now off. It's raining. It's a very nice weather. So yay! Last night I slept with my makeup on. Can we take a moment to like appreciate this lipstick because it hasn't budged. When I put it on after that, I have had my dinner, traveled a long time, slept, and then woken up, and the lipstick is like, I think the color has gone down like 1 notch, but it's like, it hasn't budged. And I can really say that I woke up like this.
Good morning. बाप को तो देख ही नहीं रहा।
Good morning guys, it's such a nice weather today. It's windy, it's a little cool. I love it. It's like the perfect day to go out. But my husband has his class today. It's the last day that he has his class, and I don't kind of feel like going out, but the weather is so nice that I'm like tempted to go out. But I really want to stay at home and clean my room today because my room is a mess as usual. Yeah, puja kar lo. Ivy is going to have so much fun in this bath. I've just added some water balloons for him to play with as well. ऐसे नहीं करते vlog, ऐसे करते ऊपर से ऐसे. अब करो, अब बोलो हाय. थोड़ी दूर से बेटा, ऐसे नहीं करते ना, ऐसे करते हैं. हाय बोलो, अब बोलो हाय. हाय. Hi. Ivy, what's your name? What's your name? Your name is Neem? आर्यवीर का नाम क्या है? आर्यवीर. Alright, I have never given Cerelac or बना रही सब्जी. I have never given बना रही सब्जी. I have never given Cerelac or anything like that to Aryaveer. सांजी सब्जी बना रहे हैं. But I found this one from Slurp Farm. It says it does a cereal for little ones. It has whole wheat. सब्जी बना रही हूँ. सब्जी यही है. It is whole wheat. It has whole wheat, ragi, oats, banana, and apple with milk. It does say it is no preservatives and no artificial flavor. I think the only reason I can trust this company and not any other is because this is a company by two mothers, and we have tried it. And we have tried their biscuits before and they were good, so I'm kind of excited to try this. And the only reason that I'm like kind of want to try this is because I need some alternatives for when we go out for longer. So we are going to go out, if I haven't mentioned that already a million times in my vlogs before. But we are going to go out this Friday, and I'm just looking for alternatives that I can take with me because Aryaveer's appetite has increased and he has multiple meals throughout the day, so it's kind of difficult to keep like ordering or stopping at places where he can eat or just randomly, you know, because sometimes he gets up at like 5:36 and he's like hungry at 7 and we're not ready to go down to have breakfast at that point of time. So I just need alternatives for those mid snacks or even like for a meal time. So that's why I want to try this out. Otherwise, of course, a homemade meal is always a million times better than any store-bought product. A homemade meal is always the best. That's the company Slurp Farm, and it says I just have to boil drinking water for 5 minutes, leave it to cool, add 2 scoops of cereal, add 10 scoops of water, stir and cook for 2 minutes. Alright, I think the boiled drinking water part is basically just to make sure that the water that you're using is clean. I am not going to boil water. I have honestly never given boiled water to Aryaveer. I've always given the water that we drink. For the simplest reason, I think that makes sense. If it's safe enough for me to drink, it's safe enough for Aryaveer to drink. And if it's not safe enough for me to drink, obviously I wouldn't even give it to Aryaveer even if I boil it. And that's how it looks when it's opened. It comes with a scooper, which is like good. I'm just going to put this on the gas and stir that in. The one thing I love about Slurp Farm is their packaging. How cute is this? Like, look at that. Also, this is not sponsored in case it looks like it is, because it's not. And that is what it looks like. I think it's cooked. It's been 2 minutes. I can definitely smell some cinnamon, so I think it's there. This is the kind of quantity you get out of the 1 scoop and 10 scoops of water. I am going to let it cool for a little bit, then we'll have a taste test, and then if I find it okay, then Aryaveer is going to have a taste test, and if he likes it, then obviously he'll eat it. If he doesn't like it, then I don't have a second snack planned for him. Alright, I'm going to taste a little bit. It's a little cool now, so it feels like it should have a little bit of sugar in it. But I think it's for kids from 6 months onwards, so that's why probably it doesn't have sugar in it, and plus not everybody is okay with a lot of sugar. Otherwise, it looks filling. Let's see what Aravind thinks of it. I personally don't like it. I think the cinnamon's a little too much. You like it? You like it? I don't think he likes it because he just said done. And he says done when he's like finished eating something or doesn't really like it. Aravind, aur chahiye? Nummy nummy. Aur chahiye? Aur chahiye? Yeah, that was a fail. So I'm gonna go and cook something else for him. I don't know, I'll try and put a little bit of sugar or honey into this and see if he likes it, because he is older than a year old, so he can have a little bit of sugar. Pets Love Farm, this looks like it was a little bit of a fail for us.
Done.
Yes, I know you're done. Can it?
No.
So I tried a couple of more times, but he did not like it. He's been saying done, finished to me. Ah! Mama lag gayi. He didn't like it at all. I'm probably going to like make some tomorrow and let him play with it, because I feel it's a very nice texture to kind of play in with, you know, hands and everything in the bathtub. So I'm going to give this to him as a plaything. And even if he eats, it's actually good for him. So yeah, that's what we're going to do with our packet. I was just cleaning out my bag from yesterday and I realized I never really told you guys the name of the lipstick that I was wearing. This is the Bold Bordeaux from L'Oreal, and it's the number 741. It's from the L'Oreal Infallible. I really don't know how to pronounce that. It's from that range. The packaging looks like this, and this is so good. So good. I mean, I put this on at around 7:30 last evening, and this lasted me, including having a, you know, I know I was on a diet, but I had one pani puri, I had one plate of pav bhaji, I had some dinner, and I had an ice cream. And then we traveled all the way back for 3 hours. We were traveling, and then we came back and I slept. I didn't intend to sleep with my makeup on. It's just I was helping Aravind sleep, and I slept in the process. So we have a flickering light in case you were wondering what the hell happened right now. So yeah, so I slept and woke up at around 6:37. So almost 12 hours this was on my lips, and I think the fade was just like, it just faded like a 1 notch, but no, it didn't fade bad enough. Like, I would have worn lipstick like that all through the day today as well if I wanted to, but well, it was Sunday and I was doing nothing, so I had to take it off. But my point is, this lipstick is brilliant. I can't wait to check out the rest of the range. I have other L'Oreal lipstick. I'm not sure if I have the lipstick that is the same range as this, so I'm going to check those out, because this is super long stay. These are all my brushes. I'm going to clean these tonight after Aravind sleeps. Aravind has just slept. It's just gone 6:30. I'm probably going to end my vlog here. Basically, because after this I'll just have my dinner, wash my makeup brushes, do some computery stuff, edit this vlog, so it'll all be really boring. Anyways, if you enjoyed this video, then make sure to give it a big thumbs up and click that subscribe button. We're about to reach 6,000 subscribers. I am so excited for that. Fingers crossed we reach that really quickly. And yes, I'll see you guys soon. Bye.